Yo boys, that was a kind of weird intro, okay, but we're gonna roll with it. So today, okay, I finally give you guys a video you guys wanted for it. You guys have been asking for this video for a very long time, okay. Finally did it, okay. So today we're gonna be doing the 1.5 liter how many burps can I do, okay. I did this once, yeah, I did this once, like I don't know, 4 months. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Do this. But here we go. Today we're gonna try a good drink I've never ever heard of before, okay. Called cotton candy. I don't know how it tastes like. I've never tasted this before, so I'm gonna try this game. It's limited edition, okay? So you guys might be saying there's like no cool drink at the top because this is actually 2 liters. So I emptied out 500 mils to make it 1.5 liters. First taste test on this, okay? Let's see how it's gonna taste like. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. That is actually like very nice. I just don't know how it tastes like. This is like candy, but not cotton candy. This is like it just tastes like candy, like. Ooh. This actually tastes. Also, I like the design. Look at the design. That looks so cool. I love the design. It tastes like strawberries almost. This is almost like sherbet. Like, if you guys know what that is, like I'll put a picture, okay, what sherbet is. Probably no one else I've gonna even know what that is, because a lot of my viewers are from like America, so I don't think you guys would know really what that even is. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Want to see another one? Get this video to 250 views in 2 weeks. Yeah, I know it's not gonna get it, so we're not gonna do 2 days at 1 anytime soon. Okay, if it gets it, I'm literally completely screwed. So peace out, man.